The viewers, I think, are very receptive to the roadmap that you're building awareness of. However, Fred Barnes in the Weekly Standard piece points out, as soon as you put policy proposals out there, they become a target.
That's why it hasn't been done. That's why we have so much political paralysis. They call these things the third rail. As you touch it, you die. Well, you know, I'm a koala bear on the third rail. You know, I touch every one of these things. Here's the point I'm trying to make. We've got to get back to that 30,000-foot view and look at the American economy. And I think most people believe we are at a monumental time in this country. Are we going to reclaim the American idea, an entrepreneurial economy, where you make the most of your life, you tap your potential, we reinvigorate the principles of liberty, freedom, free enterprise, and defend the morality of that? Or are we going to abandon that and switch over toward a European-style, cradle-to-grave welfare state where we drain people of their incentive and will to make the most of their lives and make them more dependent on the government?
Though, does it?
Well, I would argue our current government is clearly going in that welfare state category. Look, the president, he's a nice guy, a smart guy, but he's a dedicated progressive. The people running Congress right now are dedicated progressives. We used to call them liberals. Now they prefer to be called progressives. The point I simply make is they believe that we ought to have the government so much more involved in our lives as the more determining factor in our lives rather than ourselves. So we have to ask ourselves a question. Do we want an entrepreneurial society that gets prosperity turned back on in the 21st century, where individual merit, entrepreneurial activity defines the American economy? Are we going to have more and more people dependent on the government for their livelihoods? And that is going to drain them of their ability and their will to make the most of their lives. That's sort of the fork in the road we are at, and it's really being precipitated by the current direction of our government and the debt crisis because of entitlement explosion that's coming in the future. Those things are coming together. Yeah. We got to make a decision in 2010 and in 2012 what kind of country we want to be in the 21st century economy.
Yeah. Congressman Ryan, we want to thank you for coming in today and joining us.
Thanks for having me again.
It's been wonderful seeing you, and we hope to see you back here again soon.
Great. Appreciate it.